Hello, my name is Jason Duffield, and today we're going to be talking about the Certico Flowmix vacuum wet and dry, which is being used for gutter cleaning. There's been a lot of talk recently about the Flowmix system. Some manufacturers like Skyvac are now using these machines, so we thought we'd better try one out and see how it works. The principle behind Flowmix is a little bit confusing because what it actually does is it draws air through one motor via another, and this gives it a large amount of water lift. Now, water lift is a measurement of how much air the vacuum cleaner can pull up a cylinder without any airflow going through the motor. So just dead straight lift with no airflow. Now, this is really impressive because you can lift big bags of pasta, or you can lift metal weight, bowling balls, anything like that. But does it work in a real world environment when you're cleaning gutters? Well, we've tried this for a month, this machine, and unfortunately our answer is no. What tends to happen is when you're running it without the Flowmix, with the switch here, which is just the two motors, it's good, it's got a decent airflow. What then happens is you're supposed to move it across where it says heavy debris, and one airflow from one motor gets pulled through another. But basically, when you're cleaning gutters, when you're lifting plants, grass, big muddy deposits, it doesn't make any difference. And basically we found that we have to keep pushing it back onto this system because the Flowmix side doesn't work. Bit of a disappointment. I thought it was going to be really impressive, but it wasn't. There are some really good points about this machine. One is its price. It's a much cheaper machine than a lot of machines on the market. It's lightweight, which is handy for lifting in and out the back of your vehicle. It's laid out quite well. Let's have a look inside. One of the down points of any machine is the drum. And as you can see here, this is well used. But you can straight away see that there's loads of holes drilled in the drum for the handles to be fitted. For the handles, the mounting points which mount on the back of this trolley here, they're all drilled through. And obviously when you're lifting and moving a drum, and you've got holes drilled in it, they will eventually become weak points. So that's a bit of a pity. But yeah, if we look at the motor end, you can see it's made by Certico, and has a twist-on filter which is very easy to remove. And then inside, it's a really good water trap. That's this guard works when you're just lifting out a lot of liquid. It has a float inside the chamber, and this stops any debris going up inside the motor. That's one of the really good points. But for the last 3 years, we've been using Nilfisk 961s, and how do they compare? Well, we have to say that we're not going to change. This is a good machine. It's a good budget machine, you know. And if you want to use it, you know, maybe, you know, a couple of times a week on the window cleaning round when you want to do gutters as well, it's fine. It doesn't take a lot of space and it's light to get in the back of the van. But for a machine that you're going to use day in, day out, I'd definitely go for a Nilfisk over these machines. My next review will be of the Nilfisk 961. Hope you find this helpful, so thank you very much.